Your computer is about to stop being your machine and start becoming your employee. This week, AI started controlling computers by voice, designing parking lots in seconds. NVIDIA entered the AI PC race and Anthropic became more valuable than OpenAI. Hi, I'm Tanya and welcome to AI Ki Taza Khabar, your weekly dose of AI update. Let's begin. A company called HeyClick just built something crazy. It's a Mac AI assistant that can see your screen, understand what's happening, and can control your computer only using your voice commands. You can literally say reply to this email and schedule a meeting, and it really does. The big reason this works so well is OpenAI's new GPT Real-Time 2 voice model. This feels like beginning of a new era where we stop clicking apps and start talking to computers. Now, the next one is actually massive. New AI tools can now design parking lots in seconds. You upload the land dimensions and AI creates the best layouts while following all rules and accessibility guidelines. What engineers took hours to do, AI does it instantly. And this shows something important. AI is no longer limited to content or coding. It's entering real-world industries very fast. Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.8, and according to the company, it's much better at finding mistakes in its own code. That's huge for developers. But the bigger update is Claude can now split larger tasks into smaller ones using AI sub-agents. Basically, multiple AIs working together at the same time. One researches, one writes, and one searches errors. NVIDIA officially entered the laptop market with new AI-focused chips launching in devices like Microsoft, Dell, and HP. Jensen Huang called it first major PC redesign in 40 years because these are not normal laptops. These are AI-native computers built to run AI agents constantly in the background. Future laptops won't just run software, they'll work with you. Anthropic just became the world's most valuable AI company. The company reportedly reached a massive of $965 billion valuation, surpassing OpenAI. It also claims to have hit $47 billion annual revenue run rate. And most of the growth is coming from businesses using Claude Code, which proves one thing: AI is no longer an experiment, it's becoming the foundation of the new economy. So this week, AI became smarter, faster, and more powerful. Now tell me in the comments, which job do you think that AI can never replace? Subscribe for more weekly AI updates. This was AI Ki Taza Khabar, and I'll see you in the next video.